Let me show you how I cook fried rice that lasts more than 24 hours without going bad. Welcome to Tasty Meals with Bella. My name is Bella. Let's get straight into it. You want to go into the pot with the oil you used in frying your beef, chicken, turkey, or whatever you have. Now, add some onions, saute it properly, let it fry till a little bit golden brown. You see what I'm adding now is a combination of ginger, garlic, and Scotch bonnet. I love my fried rice a little bit spicy, don't you? So now I'm going in with my washed rice. This rice has been properly washed up to like 10 times. You keep changing the water till it is very clear. After rinsing properly, you put it in your sieve. You pour the rice in your sieve to drain out the water completely so that it can look dry like mine. Then you add it into the oil and fry your rice. This is why it is called fried rice, my friends. Fry your rice. This is the secret to make it last longer. So fry it properly, and then after a while, when it looks somewhat dry, you go in with your beef or chicken stock. Can you see how I'm stirring while I'm frying the rice? You keep stirring, mixing so it doesn't get burnt beneath. So now I'm going to go in with the chicken stock. I use chicken stock in this case. Like you see me doing now, I'm using a sieve so that I don't go in with the onions, seasoning, bay leaf, and other things in the chicken stock. So now I'm adding salt, seasoning. I use chicken cubes and some white pepper. I'm adding my sweet corn now because I'm using fresh sweet corn, so I want it to properly cook in the rice. I added some water and I'll cover and allow to cook. While the rice is boiling, on the side, I'll be prepping my veggies. So here I'm using carrots, green peas, green pepper, red pepper, and some liver. If you like, you can use gizzard or any other protein of choice. So I'm going to slowly fry it in a pan. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are yet to do so. And to my subscribers, thank you for always watching and sticking by. Do not deep fry this as you don't want your veggies to be too soft before adding it into the rice. So now I'll go in with some sesame oil and some oyster sauce for additional flavor and for that Chinese flavor, right? So here is it. I'm going to mix everything together and allow to simmer for like 30 seconds. Then I'll go ahead to add it in my already cooked rice and sweet corn. So it's so simple. Cooking fried rice is simple as ABC if you follow these steps properly. So now I've added it into the rice. I'm going to stir together. And also note that you can add as much veggies as you want. You can add kidney beans and any other thing you want to your fried rice. This is just showing you the basic steps. Thank you for watching. I'm done for today. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.